guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Liz and today I'll be doing this makeup look right here, and I am using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I love this palette. So pigmented. I probably say that so many times in this video, but it is so true. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So to get started with this look, we're going to take the color Cola Float and we're going to use that as our transition shade, and we're just going to put that in our crease. It is a little dark, so I'll go a little light-handed with this color.
I guess then your thoughts kind of become suppressive. Feelings I've been expressing going behind this message. Couldn't check me, go toe to toe.
Next, we're going to take the orange color in the palette, the color Crushing. We're going to put that right over our transition shade, and we're going to take that as high as we can until we're right below our brow bone.
Couldn't bottle up and sell none of this skill I've acquired, but I could be like Pac and just spark up the mind and inspire. Yeesh. No matter what I do, I prevail what I'm living through. Forever deal with the cards life's giving you. And even though these haters gonna try to get rid of you.
Next, we're going to take the color Cherry on top. We're going to put that all over our lid, and then we're going to blend it into the orange color we just put in our crease.
Our love keeps shining on. Your love keeps me moving on. A lot did do die. Got my heartbeat going on. Our love keeps shining on.
Next, we're going to take some concealer and just put it right in the middle of our lids. This is going to act like our base for the next shade we're going to use. So now we're going to take the color Grape Pop and put that right over where we put our concealer. Again, the concealer is acting like a base, so that way the purple shimmering color can stick to our lid. Apply some lashes off camera. These are the Kiss 01s, and then I'm going to take some mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, just to blend my natural lashes and the falsies together. And the primer that I'm using is Milani Prime Shield, and this is mixed with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. So the foundation I'm using is my all-time favorite drugstore foundations, and I mix them together. It's my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and this is in the color Golden Amber, and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color Soft Tan. And the sponge that I'm using is the e.l.f. sponge. I've never felt a sponge this soft, and it gets so big. It looks small in the packet, but once you put the water in it, it expands so big. I love it. This is easily going to become one of my favorite sponges.
Calm and collected. I weather the storm to keep me up out of depression.
And to conceal, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the color Medium.
Feelings I've been expressing going behind this message. Couldn't check me, go toe to toe like it's Armageddon. It's only up from here on.
And to set everywhere we just put concealer, I'm using a powder. It's in a banana shade. I don't have the name of the powder. Sorry guys, I got it from Ipsy.
Bottle up and sell none of this skill I've acquired, but I could be like Pac and just spark up the mind and inspire. Yeesh. No matter what I do, I prevail what I'm living through. Forever deal with the cards life's giving you. And even though these haters gonna try to get rid of you, stay strong and give them hell to the end of you. Yeesh.
No more rainy days. The clouds are gone away. Our love keeps shining.
Bronzer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the color Queensland.
Got my heartbeat going on. Our love keeps shining on. Our love keeps shining on. Our love keeps shining.
For blush, I'm using the CoverGirl Peach Punch palette. Guys, this smells like peaches. It smells so good.
Our love keeps shining on.
After blush, we're going to finish up our eyes. We're going to go in with the Cherry on Top color from the Soda Pop palette, and we're going to put that right underneath our waterline. So somehow my camera didn't record it, but I did go in with black eyeliner on my waterline and tight line for the eyes. Now I'm doing the highlight. I'm using that Peach Punch palette again, and I'm just using the highlighter that's in that palette. Oh, and also for the inner corners of my eyes, I use the color Soda Fizz from the same palette. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I used the NYX lip liner in the color Neutral, and then I used the Maybelline Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Nudist. Yeah, so this is just all it. This is the look right here. It's super cute. I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, just give me a huge thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. I'll have all my social medias down below, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Honestly, I don't really go on Twitter a lot, so best way to keep in touch with me is going to be through Snapchat or through Instagram, and I'll have those linked down below. If you guys have any other requests for any other colors that you want to see, just let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Even though these haters gonna try to get rid of you, stay strong and give them hell to the end of you. Yeah.